Good morning, boys and girls. Our morning work page is Unit 6, Week 1, Day 2. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly. Write the correct contraction for the words in parentheses. Number 1 says, we could have won on Monday, but it rained. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Number 2, he had better watch the game on Friday, May 28th. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video and do number 1 and 2 before doing the daily math review. All right, daily math review. Do problems 1 through 5. Pause your video. Number 6, we're decomposing a number leading to a 10. So what we're doing essentially for 14 minus 9 is instead of taking the 9 away all at once, what we're doing is we're breaking the 9 apart into the number in the ones place of the 14. So we're breaking 9 apart into 4 and 5. So we can subtract the 4 first, and that gives us 10. And then we still have to take away this 5, so 10 minus 5 equals blank. Pause your video and do number 6 really quick. Number 7, a graphing problem. Looks like a bar graph about favorite cartoons. So some kids were asked what their favorite cartoon was. We got SpongeBob, Scooby-Doo, Arthur, and Bubble Guppies. So how many more children like Arthur, right, than SpongeBob? How many children? Figure out the difference. Pause your video and do number 7. Okay, number 8. 237 plus 457 is equal to blank plus 237. I will give you a clue. Think turnaround fact. Pause your video and do number 8. Number 9, look at the analog clock. Write the correct time in 2 ways. So digital clock and then blank minutes after blank. Pause your video and do number 9. All right, let's start checking from the top if you've answered all the questions that you know how to answer. Number 1, we could have won. So first we need a capital because all sentences get a capital letter at the beginning. Could have becomes could have. Apostrophe VE. This is not how we spell won. We spell it W-O-N when we're talking about winning a game. If it was a number, it would be O-N-E. Monday gets capitalized because it's a day of the week. Comma, but it rained. Rained is spelled incorrectly. Rain is R-A-I-N. And then it's past tense, so we just add ed. And then we rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, we got number 1 looking good. Let's move on to number 2. He had better watch the game on Friday, May 28th. So he had becomes he'd. Better watch. Watch is spelled incorrectly. And so it's game. So watch is W-A-T-C-H. Game is G-A-M-E. Friday is a day of the week, so it gets capitalized. May is a month, it gets capitalized. And then we get a period. All right, looks good. Let me rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, fixed up number 2. And we can move on to the daily math review. All right, so our first one, we got 15 minus 7 equals 8. 16 minus 7 is 9. 12 minus 6 is 6. 14 minus 7 is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. Moving down here, I already walked you through this part, so we got down to 10 minus 5 equals 5. So that means 14 minus 9 equals 5. How many more children like Arthur than SpongeBob? So let's see, 8 kids like Arthur. 4 kids like SpongeBob. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a difference between these two numbers of 4. So 4 more children like Arthur than SpongeBob. All right, turnaround fact. 237 plus 457 equals 457 plus 237. These two numbers are the same. These two numbers are the same. All we did is flip them around. Still the same answer. Write the correct time 2 ways. So let's see. My hour hand is pointing to the 4. Minutes, o'clock, 5. So 4:05. So it's 5 minutes after 4. And with that, we are all done with our morning work. Good luck with your next assignment.